Scene 4, take 1.
Action.
Welcome, I'm Miss Green. I'll be your instructor today.
Nice to meet you, Miss Green.
When you're ready. Okay. Are you alright?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm just really nervous.
Oh, just relax. Just imagine bunnies jumping along down the road.
I hate bunnies. Evil creatures.
Right then, just breathe then, and just go forward and just take your next turning. Not forward, back.
Oh, okay, sorry, I'll try again.
Yes, but just more slower.
Oh, okay.
And the lights have turned red, so just make a slowly stop here.
Are you sure that's a light, and are you sure that's the colour red?
No, are you colourblind?
Yeah. How did you know?
Okay, then just please slow down. Just stop. Perhaps you need more lessons before taking your test.
I kind of thought this was my lesson.
Wait a minute. You've never had a single lesson in your life?
No, can you tell?
Then go ahead, get some lessons for yourself, and better yet, just never drive again, because you're actually a terrible driver.
So, can I get a new car?
No.
I don't know why I said that. Why did I say that?